Hi, welcome to this edition of How To Q. Sorry about the echo. I'm in an empty home that was flooded. When they put the drywall back up, you've got these electrical outlets that are recessed. These covers don't cover up enough. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install these flush fit device leveling plates. Let's just call it a shim. We're going to pull these outlets out, make this look right, and it'll be all good. Super simple. I'm going to show you that now. Oh, wait a minute, do yourself a favor, safety first. Turn off the electricity going to any outlet you're about to work on. You've got a metal plate, you're pulling out electricity, you're pulling out an outlet that is hot. Go ahead and turn off that circuit breaker and I'll meet you back here. One other thing you might need for this job is longer machine screws that connect your outlet to the box. The ones that are here probably are gonna work, but I went ahead and went out and bought 1.5 inch 632 screws. If they are pretty far recessed, you may need longer machine screws, so consider that. All right, let's take this off and get going.
All right, now that we've removed the plate, make sure that electricity is off. This is one of my favorite tools, non-contact voltage tester. The electricity is off. Now all you have to do is loosen those screws. You can remove and replace if you'd like. You just have to loosen those screws. This is a Phillips head screw, and throw that shim in. You don't have to remove the outlet totally and then secure it. The next hardest part about this job is not breaking this plate. They do have shatterproof plates, but I can't tell you how many of these I've broken, so don't tighten this too much. Make sure it's on there correctly, secure it, and again, don't break it. Another typical situation you're going to encounter is when you put cabinets up against the wall and you need the outlet to come through. Whether that is the microwave area or this area, which is underneath the sink. This is the outlet where the garbage disposal goes into. I did have to replace the screws here. The old ones would not have worked, so the 1.5 inch screws came in handy. Throw that shim in. You could also consider using 2 shims to get even a more sturdy base for the outlet. Throw that plate back on, do not break the plate, and this job is done. This is a very easy DIY. Hope this helps.
All right, it doesn't get much easier than that. Me replacing those screws is overkill. All you need to do is loosen them up, throw in this shim, and tighten it back up. Pretty simple. Using a non-contact voltage tester anytime you're working on electricity is huge. They're pretty cheap. Anything I used in this video is down in the description. I've got links down there, so feel free to check those out. That's it for this edition of How To Q. I have about 15 more of these to do, so I'll see you next time.